All right, guys. Well, what happens when you do things spontaneously? Well, things happen like this opened and the batteries just flew out. Just flew out. Like there's no tomorrow. So I'm putting them back in here. As you can see here, I'm just putting them back in. And maybe that's why they have the screwdriver, because this thing does not close very well without it. Anyway, the tank will not start unless you press this button right here. Oh. Is that loud? Is that loud enough for you? And then you can turn the tower. Is that loud enough? I'm going to have to turn it off because it's too loud. It's too loud. So I love this thing, but it's too loud just like the other one was. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to have to do is figure out how to disable.
Likey.